show you guys my outfit before my best friends come and pick me up. So I'm wearing this dress that is my mom's. I'm just borrowing it for today. She actually made this dress. And then I'm wearing with my black boots. I've always wanted to do this. So, oh, these black boots are pretty long. Like they go like till my knees. And then I'm wearing it with this bag, this black bag that's I think from Zara, not sure. And yeah, this is the outfit. I'm gonna show you guys what my best friends got me for my late birthday celebration. Firstly, they got me these flowers, as you guys saw in the previous clip. It's like red roses. I haven't gotten red roses in so long and I just love the way it looks. There's even dark chocolate, as you guys can see. And then it says happy belated birthday. So they got me these two nail polishes from Essie. I love Essie nail polishes. So these are the colors. This one's like a Barbie pink. It's called Crave the Chaos. If anyone's interested, I doubt it. And then this one is like almost like a vampire-y red, you know. I think this would have matched my outfit today. It's called Soulmate. I told my best friends, is this a sign that I'm going to meet my soulmate soon? What? Anyways, so yeah, these two, they got me these socks from H&M that like happen to have my, I think it's called initials, because my name, like SC, Charlotta Cecilia. So yeah, I thought it was really cute and I was like, oh, you know. So yes, then they got me this from H&M. I don't really understand the purpose. They think it's like a vase for like a single flower, or it's like a decor. I don't know. I love the color and it goes well with my room. So there's that. I love even the way it feels. Like I don't know if you can. No, you cannot touch it, of course. One of my best friends is really good in crocheting. I think it's called. I think that's what it's called. Where like you use yarn and you like, you know, and you like make shapes, or you make anything, literally like anything out of it. So I'm gonna show you. Firstly, she made me this bumblebee, which is so cute. I mean, just look at it. It's so adorable. I love it so much. I love cute things. Like I love them, especially the fact that this is handmade. How did she do it? I don't know, but I love it. It's so cute. I don't know where to put it though. I don't know like how to, like I don't know where to put it. Like, yes, I said that already. Then she made me this whale, which is also so cute. Just like look at it. Oh, has this like tiny tail, and then she made I think it's called a coaster, where it's like a cat shape, where you put like your mug or your candle even. So cute. Well, my favorite is the bumblebee. I love it so much because it's giving like Winnie the Pooh vibes, and I love Winnie the Pooh. Like, I literally, where is it? I have this teddy bear which is so cute. If anyone, you know what? I'm not gonna say if anyone's interested. If you're watching this video, you are interested or entertained by my videos or whatever. But anyways, so this just like, sorry, this just matches like this. Wait 1 second, and then you see, I love cute things, and the fact that everything is yellow. What is going on? I sleep with it every day. Like, I cannot go to, like, if I go to bed and I'm like laying down and I'm about to sleep and I realize that Winnie the Pooh is not next to me, I have to take it. Yes, I love Winnie the Pooh. It's my favorite childhood character. So I just love Winnie the Pooh. I love everything Winnie the Pooh. I love Winnie the Pooh. As you guys can tell, I love cute things. So I don't know how I'll be when I have a baby. Imagine if this is not my gift. It is. 2 pieces came. I wanted those, you know those vintage, I'm gonna show you now, those like vintage candle holders. So it came 2 pieces. Oh, this is so cute. This is like, oh my god, I think you can even drink tea in here, but let's not. This is so cute and so tiny. Oh, it's so cute, and it even feels nice. Like, it is ceramic. I always wanted like to put my like a single candle and just like walk around in another, like in a room, and like, I don't know, have this candlelight next to me while I read a book, to feel like I'm in the Victorian era or something, you know, like, I don't know, you know, I don't know if my parents are supposed to wrap it, but I'm opening it, whatever. I wanted like a back strap for posture, because I sit like a shrimp, and I don't know, I feel like if I have that support, like when I wear it, it's gonna like really help me, and I don't know. Yeah, so this is the packaging. Posture corrector. Pain relief. Back, shoulder and neck. Improve incorrect postures. This is how I sit all the time. Back support straightener. Reduces slouching, hunching, slumping. Live a healthier and happier life. Okay. They look like Pampers. How are you supposed to wear it? And you know, I am... Wait. I think this is the back. Yeah, I think, obviously, how can you put this in the front? Hello? Okay. Yeah, I shouldn't wear this with a hoodie, but
How are you supposed to close it? Girl. Okay. Yeah, I still can arch my back, okay. I think it's because I'm wearing it on a hoodie. I don't really see a difference. I think it's because I'm wearing